Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss DOE Worksheet 25, Schedule 31st August 2020 from your chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life, that is Cell. And today we will discuss mitochondria and vacuoles. Okay. Gyan asked, where does a cell get energy to perform different life processes, different life functions, and how? Means how cell perform different functions for, because for that cell also needs energy. Okay, so Jigyasa Didi answered, this work is performed by the cell organelle called mitochondria. Means mitochondria is a cell organelle which provide energy in the form of ATP to cell to perform various or different life processes or different functions. Okay, so all necessary energy required for various chemical activities to perform different life processes is related to the mitochondria for the life in the form of ATPs. Okay, so mitochondria provide energy in the form of ATP to cell to perform various chemical activities for the different life processes. Okay, so from where it get energy? From mitochondria. Okay, and in which form? In the form of ATP. Is it clear? So, mitochondria provide energy to cell by producing ATP, and therefore it is also known as powerhouse of the cell or energy plant of the cell. Okay, beta, one mark question is usually come to your exam, that which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? Then answer is mitochondria. Okay. ATP is produced in the mitochondria by the process of respirations. Okay. ATP, this adenosine triphosphate, is produced in the mitochondria by the process of respiration. Okay, cellular respiration. The body uses energy stored in ATP for different activities. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Again, very important question, word marker. Uh, what is known for the energy currency of the cell? Then answer is ATP. ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. Okay. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. The outer membrane of the mitochondria is porous. This outer covering is porous, but the inner covering is the inner membrane of mitochondria is folded, is deeply folded. Okay, it is a double membrane organ. Okay, cell organelle, basically cell organelle. Okay, mitochondria is a cell organelle that has its own DNA. Again, one marker question, name the cell organelle which has its own DNA and ribosome. So answer is mitochondria. Okay, so mitochondria is the cell organelle which is which has double membrane structure as well as has its own DNA and ribosome, and therefore it can make some protein which are importantly required for it, for micro, it means mitochondria. Okay, so therefore it can make some important protein for its own. Okay, next beta, we will be going to study vacuole in plants. What is the major role of vacuole in plant? So Jigyasa Didi Gyan asked, what is the importance of vacuole in the plant? Jigyasa Didi replied, we know that the vacuole are very small size or may be absent in the plant cells, but in animal cells, in animal cell means vacuoles are small sized or may be absent in animal cell, but in plant cell they are very large in size and generally centrally located in the cell. In plants They are generally located in the center and very large as compared to the animal cell. Okay. In plants, cell vacuole are full of cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. In plants, vacuole is full of all cell sap and it provides turgidity to the cell. Okay. Turgidity means a stiffness, a strength to the cell. Okay. And many substances such as amino acids, various organic acids, some proteins, sugars, they are stored in it. That has important in the life of the plant cell. Okay. All these material like amino acids, various organic acids, proteins, sugars, that all these things are stored in this vacuole. Okay. And they all are required for the plant's life. The cell membrane of the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Again, one marker question. Name the cell. Name the cell membrane of the vacuole. It is called as tonoplast. It keeps the content of the cell sap separate from the cytoplasm. Tonoplast is a kind of barrier between the cytoplasm as well as the cell sap. Means it separates both the cell sap as well as the cytoplasm. Okay. In unicellular organisms, specialized vacuoles also play important role in expelling excess water and some waste from the cell. In case of unicellular organism, these vacuoles play very important role in expel out some water and some waste from the cell. So students, this is all about today's worksheet. It's very simple and easy worksheet, and I must tell you, do practice this mitochondria, the structure of this mitochondria in your notebook, as it's very important also. Okay. So first question we have, let's do this practice exercise. First question we have, why mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell? But a very simple answer over here. This all energy requirement for the various chemical activity to perform different life processes is released by the mitochondria for the life in the form of ATP. That is why it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. So answer of first question is this. Okay. Name any one function of the cell for which the energy is needed beta to perform various chemical activities. Okay. Cell need energy. The answer of second question, to perform various cell activities, cell need energy. So it get energy in the form of ATP from mitochondria. Vacuoles are important part of which cell? Plant cell, bache. Plant cell. Okay. See this plant cell. The vacuole is full of sap and provided the turgidity and rigidity to the cell. So answer of third question is plant cell. Right? Name the membrane of that vacuole. Tonoplast. Again, answer of third question. Okay. Write the full form of ATP. Here's the full form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And last question, name the three substances stored in the vacuole of the plant. So three substances are, we have this amino acids, various organic acids, some protein and sugar. Okay. So this is the answer of your last question. Sorry, fifth. Okay. So this is all about today's worksheet. Hope you understand it very well. And do it fast. Complete your today's worksheet as early as possible and send to your teachers. And do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe those students who have not subscribed yet. Take care, bache. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay home. Goodbye.